How to open a real account on MetaTrader 5. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can open a real account on MetaTrader 5. To do so, first of all, you'll need to ensure that you have already downloaded the authentic MetaTrader 5 application on your device. Now once you have done that, open the application, and once you open the application, you will land on this interface. Since we are going to open the real account, you will need to tap on the messages icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. By doing so, you will land on this page. Here at the bottom, you will be able to see the register button. Simply tap on it and you will be taken to this account registration page. Here you will need to choose the sign in with Google option and then select your Google account. Once after selecting the Google account, you will see the login has been created. Now you will need to simply tap on this Get an Account button. You will need to wait for a few seconds and then you will see you have successfully created an account. Now you will get an email from MetaTrader 5 to activate your account. You will need to open that email. There you will be able to see your login details, and here now tap on this Activate Account. And once you select it, you will be redirected to a browser. Here now you will need to enter your login credentials in order to log in to your account. Simply enter your login details and your password. You can copy this password from the email that you have received previously. After that, tap on this login button right here and then you will be able to log in to your MetaTrader 5 account on a browser. Now return back to the application and now you can start using the application. Now you can start funding your MetaTrader 5 account using methods like credit cards or bank transfer to start trading live markets. So this is how you can create a real account on MetaTrader 5. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.